everyone, welcome back to another week on Double Gino Farms. Today is Monday. We're gonna kick this week's video off with a little bit of mechanical work, replacing a tire. It's a trailer, it's hooked up to the semi, so we're gonna pull the semi up to the shop and replace the tire. It is that time of year where a lot of the farmers are getting ready to harvest wheat. Actually, several of them already have. Anyway, so it's time to hook up the header and bring it out to the field where we're gonna start combining wheat.
Gotta put new teeth in it. A few of them broke off from last year doing beans.
Everyone, our local lumberyard just arrived. They're getting ready to work on the roof on the calving barn. If you remember, a couple weeks ago we had a bad storm come through here, and it was 80 to 100 miles per hour wind, and it took off a chunk of the roof on the calving barn, so they're gonna patch the hole.
What are you doing?
I'm giving this kitty some milk because her mom doesn't like her, so she doesn't take care of her. And she's always skin and bones.
Okay. Is it drinking good?
Yeah.
Guess you'll be her new mommy. Does that make you happy?
Mm-hmm.
We survived it. We made it. They're home. Alright everyone, so our miniature cows are in the windbreak. They're supposed to be in the windbreak. And we just got the news that they are, a fence is down. So we gotta make sure that they are still in and fix the fence. Everyone, well, hopefully the fence is fixed, hopefully the miniature cows will stay in, but it is actually time to start getting ready and preparing for our second petting zoo. It is time to start filling the bumper hitch up with all the fencing, cages, and we're going to go down tomorrow, hopefully, and set up for it, and then on Saturday we'll bring down the animals. It's currently early Saturday morning, the morning of the petting zoo. It is time to start washing horses, getting animals together, loading them up on the trailer, and head down to Sycamore for the petting zoo. Alright everyone, we've got everything loaded up. Time to head down to Sycamore to start the petting zoo. Everyone, the petting zoo has come to an end. All the animals are home. It's time. They went home with the trailer. They're heading back with another trailer, and we're gonna get all the fencing and head home. Alright everyone, if you remember earlier in this week's video, we were getting the combine head ready to start combining wheat. Well, Dad's actually been combining wheat all day. We just got back from the petting zoo, and I got my drone here, and it's time to head down to the field where he's combining wheat and hopefully get some drone footage. All right, everyone, Dad just finished up harvesting wheat for the year, and it was making 72 bushels an acre. But I'm going to end the video here, so thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.